Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this GS20. It's a brand new 2019 Super Nautique. This boat has a nice sea deck flooring, very spacious in the bow, JL audio, cup holders, and here you have all your charging ports, and a radio head unit. Like every Super Air Nautique, you have wraparound seating. It's a great interior color. Here at the helm, we have a fully touchscreen link pan array. This boat seats 12 people. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Come check us out.